Okay, so grid, different characters, the assembly language. So the first bit we've got here, we set the row. So row 5, yeah. LDC, we set the column, which is going to be 10. We then call to move the print cursor. So basically it's the ROM, print at, equivalent of print at. LDA, we load the character. RST, print the character. And then what I've done, I don't know whether I've done this right, but I've repeated the process, just changing, as you can see, changing the row and column numbers. So they're virtually, it's all the same code. All I'm doing is changing the numbers to create a grid, and I just carried on and ran out of paper. You get the idea. I then worked out all the hexadecimal for it. There's more. It's quite a big one. And we carry on. You'll see there's 2 zeros there. It prints up a space. Okay, now I didn't really want a space, but I just put it in there to see if it worked, and it did work. And I'll show you. So I'm using an emulator for this. You'll see line 7, I've got a poke there. If we look at line 9, ignore that for a minute. Look at line 9, I've got a stop, because underneath is the bit of code that allows me to punch the code in for the hexadecimal. I just put a stop there so it doesn't run on, because as you can see in the red there, we've got all of the machine code already in. 7, those spaces I was on about. If I just pull that down, just rend that out a minute. In fact, it'll probably still be in the memory. So it'll still be in the memory as a 10. If I put that to 0, yeah. So that basically will be a space. You'll see what I mean when I run it. Just pull it back down a minute. Let's get rid of that. So run. There we go. So I've printed my grid. You'll see there's one missing. So let me pull that down. That's that one there. Let me change that to a 10. So I know it starts at address. Look, so you poke the address, which was 82. I'll change that to a 10, that's the character. So I can change any of these now. I just got to work out where the addresses are, and I can change them to suit if I wish to change them. There you go.